Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen out of instant noodles full guide. Start by boiling water and measuring 1 packet of seasoning. Keep other ingredients ready. Heat oil in a pan if you want to pan-fry noodles for texture. Prepare an egg any style, and chop quick-cooking vegetables like spinach or scallions. Combine and adjust seasoning to taste, then plate with garnishes for us. Make the broth the hero by starting with the seasoning packet and boosting it with stock or water plus soy sauce and a dash of sesame oil. Simmer gently for a few minutes to let flavors marry and reduce sharp saltiness. If the taste is flat, add a squeeze of citrus or a pinch of sugar to balance. Keep tasting and adjust until the broth feels rounded and comforting. Toppings transform instant noodles from basic to memorable, so plan a variety of textures and colors. Soft-boiled eggs add creamy yolks, while quick-wilted spinach or blanched broccoli provide freshness. Add crunch with toasted sesame seeds or fried garlic, and finish with chili oil or a drizzle of soy for depth. Arrange toppings neatly so each spoonful has contrast. That small effort makes every bite more exciting and restaurant-worthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.